Experiencing call problems with Tesco Mobile? As a mobile virtual network operator using O2's network, issues can stem from a few key areas: VoLTE settings, call bearing, or network selection. First, VoLTE enables high-definition calls over 4G. Ensure it's enabled in your phone's settings. For Android, Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Advanced, VoLTE. For iOS, Settings, Cellular Data Options, enable LTE. If calls still fail, restart your device. Next, call bearing can accidentally block outgoing or incoming calls. Use USSD codes like 21M to check if call forwarding or bearing is active, and 33-pin hack to disable bearing. The default Tesco PIN is often 1234. Lastly, network selection helps in areas with weak O2 signal. Manually select the network via Settings, Network and Internet, SIMs, Network Operators. Choose O2 if available, or another carrier temporarily. For persistent issues, contact Tesco Mobile support at 0344 324 9222.